We talk football essay, we educate, entertain, promote. Ah, kunjani baba?
Ngiyaphila baba njani?
Ngiyaphila. Ugama lakho bani?
Sibuka bala.
Ngiyabonga Mrs. Bull. Ungathi namhlanje Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Marumo Gallants 0. Ungathi ngele game namhlanje?
I expected the results. Nothing new. If Sundowns plays against all these teams in the PSL, they show class. They've built a class, in fact, for the past 9 years. So I don't think there's any team that can catch up. But luckily, Pirates last season, they rescued us. Messenger tried to train, which is good. I'm seeing them coming back because I don't think Sundowns actually wanna lose the league twice. So hopefully, Pirates plays to their standard that they did last season, which I doubt because the few games that I've already watched, they are not scoring goals. You can't create six scoring chances and you bury one.
Yes.
Sundowns creates 3, they bury 2. So yes, they didn't start well. Both 3 teams, big ones, for me, they didn't start well. So I've been saying, well, let's give them 10 games. But after 10 games, I think Sundowns will be cooked, and this is their first game to show us for returns. We are getting warmer, so most teams are going to be in trouble. But at least I expect Pirates to close the gap. When it comes to Kaizer Chiefs, by the way, I'm a former Orlando Pirates player myself. When it comes to Kaizer Chiefs, I don't give them a chance. I don't see them there. I see them doing the top 8. I don't see them doing very well.
Okay, before going on that one, what do you think is the secret, the way Sundowns play, their type of football? What do you think is the secret?
Oh, the secret was built a long time ago by Pito Musimani. So Pito Musimani wanted the piano and Shusha, and they used to watch Sundowns play back in the years before the Chiclas took over. Sundowns used to put the ball on the ground, knock it, get goals. So that style was lost a little bit due to some reasons. Motsepe came, he called Pito, he said, I'm giving you as much time as you want. So Pito brought the players, he built the style, the system, the scouting and everything. So Sundowns is strong in all areas. They don't just bring players. The player is scouted. Can he fit the system? Can he play the Sundowns system? If not, they don't sign the player. They are not like all these other teams where what fees are we bringing him in? No. They look into also all these factors. They help Sundowns. So that's I'm saying Sundowns is a trendsetter in South African football. Look at what they did this season. They didn't sign a lot. Instead, they said, what? Let's promote a lot. But you look at these youngsters that they are giving them an opportunity. You look at a guy who like this guy, it looks like he's been here for years. Like Dove, for an example. Yeah. So we can name many. So Pirates, it's coming, but they are selling a lot, which is good. I don't disagree with their system.
But it is destabilizing
the team, yes, because now they're getting the good players. Yeah. They're just selling them for money. So Sundowns they don't want to sell a lot. Yes, so that's what I see this season. Yeah.
You talk something about Kaizer Chiefs. So what can you say about Kaizer Chiefs? Looking at Sundowns and Pirates.
Look, Kaizer Chiefs, there's a lot. I mean, for me, if let's say I was a chairman of Kaizer Chiefs, I was gonna hire Peter and say, Peter, come help me. Fire everybody, including Bobby and all the children. You get a CEO, get a good style, and then from getting that good style and the team, and then what we do, we start building from zero. But Kaizer Chiefs, the way they are going, I'm telling you, they're not even gonna make the top 4. Chiefs is not going to make the top 4.
They're not gonna make it.
They're not gonna make it.
I wish you me now. Wish you Usbo. We talk football essay. See how Mrs. Bo.